Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into a crucial topic for all budding social work students. This topic is about building resilience to navigate the emotional challenges that come with this rewarding yet demanding field. I'm here to share insights and strategies that will empower you to maintain your emotional well-being throughout your studies. At the end of the video, I'll also provide some guidance to more useful resources. Before we dive into the strategies, it's important to recognise that social work involves engaging with individuals facing various hardships. This exposure can lead to emotional fatigue and burnout if not managed properly. Therefore, it's vital to acknowledge and understand the emotional landscape you'll be navigating. So, let's explore some strategies to build emotional resilience. The first thing to do is to develop a strong support system. Surround yourself with friends, family and mentors and fellow students who understand the challenges you'll be facing. Regularly connect with them to share your experiences and seek guidance. The second practice is self-reflection and mindfulness. Take time to process your emotions, engage in mindfulness techniques and maintain a journal to track your thoughts and feelings. This practice fosters self-awareness and emotional regulation. Third, setting boundaries is essential. While your passion for helping others is important, remember that you can't pour from an empty cup. Learn to say no when necessary and allocate time for self-care. Fourth, seek supervision and guidance, whether through tutors, professors, mentors or therapists. Regular check-ins with a trusted professional can provide insights, coping strategies and a safe space to discuss your experiences. Fifth, don't forget to practice self-compassion. Treat yourself with the same kindness and understanding you offer to your clients. Acknowledge that you're human and that it's okay to ask for help when needed. Lastly, find meaning and purpose in your work. Connecting with the impact you're making can provide a sense of fulfillment even during really challenging times. As you embark on your social work journey, remember that your emotional resilience is a skill you can cultivate over time. By implementing these strategies, seeking guidance and nurturing your well-being, you'll be better equipped to navigate the emotional challenges that come your way. To explore this further, I've added some links to some useful resources in the section below. If you found the contents of this video valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with social work students who might benefit from the things that we've explored here. Thank you for watching this video and remember, your well-being really matters. Until next time, take care and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye.